Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is, that ain't nobody but Smoky Sue, about to do the do. How y'all doing? Is y'all all right? Listen, big things are going today. Y'all hear me? Because guess what? Girl, I gonna do a smoky eye. Translation. We're gonna have a great time today because I am doing a smoky eye. When have you ever seen me do like a black, just a black smoky eye? I don't know why I've never done it. Like, I just love color, you know what I mean? But we're going to be doing a black smoky eye today. And a portion of this video is going to be sponsored by Nova Beauty. So I'm going to be using their smoky palette to achieve this look.
Guys, Nova Beauty is having their biggest sale ever. It's Black Friday and everything is 50 to 90% off. You'll find the latest Nova Beauty items that all the celebrities are wearing. Plus, with fast shipping, you get your package overnight. Go to Nova Beauty right now and grab your favorite products before they all sell out.
So, honey, without further ado, boo-boo, let's zoom in so we can get within, or let's get close. You know we finna do the most. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna be doing my brows, and I'm gonna be using the Slimline. I'm gonna be using the brow pencil by Nova Beauty, okay? And this is the color brown. All right, so we're gonna go in and chisel out and carve out those brows, honey. I'm super excited for today's look because I'm like, why haven't you done a smoky eye? Like, what's wrong with you? What's going on? I just love color, that's all. Okay, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Okay, next up, I am going to go in with my foundation stick. This is by Juvia's Place. It is Mozambique. And SOCKS, okay? Okay, so I'm also going to be using the bronze palette, and I'm going to be using the brown and the orangey shade just for a transition because this palette, the smoky palette, doesn't actually have like a transition that I would want. This could work, but I want something a little bit more brown, a little bit more to warm it up, basically. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna use those two colors. I think first I'm gonna go in with Narnia, which is the orangey shade, and then I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm just gonna build the crease very, very, very lightly, and we're gonna fix that whole entire situation. Okay, so let's just go in and do the do whoop de whoop shibbity boop boop boop, girl. You know what I want to do? Let's apply tape as well. I enjoyed the tape last time, so I'm going to apply some tape again. Okay, now let's go in and define that crease area and just smoke at that whole entire situation. Okay, next up I'm going to go into the darker brown shade front end, and I'm going to be using the same brush, and we're just going to blend that right in the actual crease area and try to blend the two colors together without really pushing the brown too far up. You still want some of that transition shade to show. Okay, next I'm going to be taking this black eyeliner by LA Girl, and this is just called Blackout. Okay, yes, give me a proper name. I need to sharpen this. Hello. So before I go in with anything, I'm going to take a little dome brush and kind of blend out that liner as much as possible, kind of smudge it out before I go in with any color. That way we can avoid any harsh lines. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna be taking Mood, and with this, we're going to smudge this all over that lid and that lower lash line and really smoke it out and blend all of those colors together so we can have a nice transition between all three of the shades that we have on our lid, okay? And now that I'm looking at it, it's like, should I put some stones? Should I put like some, I don't know, like spruce it up a little bit? You know, make it a little festive or something. Do something, girl. Okay, so now that I have everything nice and blended, I'm going with the very tip of the brush, and I'm going to smoke out that lower lash line while that tape is still there before we remove it. You just want to really smoke it out. I'm probably going to go back and touch it up a little bit after I do my whole entire face. I'm pretty sure I'm going to cover a little bit of it when I apply my concealer. Okay, so I feel like I definitely want to add some glitter to this. So I'm going to be using the 18 karat. This is by ColourPop, and this is one of those already jelly type of glitters. And I don't want a lot of this, and I'm just going to place it in the inner area of the eye. So I'm going to be using like a little blender brush instead of like a packer brush because like I said, I don't want a whole lot. I just want a little sparkle in there. Okay, I really like that. Oh yeah. Okay, it's time to remove the tape. Then I'm gonna apply my lashes. Ooh, clean, too clean. For my lashes, I am gonna be using the Flutter Lash Intoxicating Lash. These are double lip, you already know. Do I even have to tell you at this point? Make sure you use my code. Okay, whoop-de whoop ship-de boop boop boop. Okay, now that the lashes are on, let's zoom out because we finna show out. First things first, I don't know about you after you do a smoky eye, but for me, do you see that shadow under my eye? That's all fallout. That is all fallout, and we need to get that, okay? We need to clean that up. We cannot just put concealer on top of that. Like, it's a no. To moisturize, I am back to my Lululemon. The gel aloe thingy was fine for a minute, but nothing does my face like this product. It really hydrates and it stays tacky. It doesn't dry out. So I am going to blot this area right here a little bit. Just blot. You don't need to go ham. Just blot. You don't need to wipe. Just blot. And now I'm going to go in with my MAC paint pot. If you want this product to work for you, you have to blot that area if you're going in with a heavy moisturizer. Now, I know you already know one layer is the way Sumisu is about to go, okay? The only thing I'm not going to do today is actually put down my contour, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in a minute, okay? So first I'm going to go in with warm sand and highlight the face. And we're going to get under those eyes, that nose, the center of the forehead, above the lip, and the chin area. And now I'm going to go in with sand, and with sand, we're going to place that right under in the very corners of that eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my blush, and today I am using Encourage, and this is also by Rare Beauty. So it's gonna be my first time to use this one. She's a little mauvey. Hello, come on out. Ooh, why was you struggling to come on out, girl? Is you okay? We're gonna place that tops of that. Ooh, that is pretty already. I completely forgot to put on a primer. We ain't put on no primer today, girl. Okay, but it's okay because that Lululemon, as you can tell, the face is still shiny and moisturized, so we're good. It's okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and this is by Makeup Forever, and it's what you can call it, RDC3PO, RD2C3PO, girl, whatever. And with this, I am going to start to place that in the areas where I'm going to need it. Right here. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be leaving my contour for last because this is going to be the first thing that I blend out. So instead of going in with this product and just like swiping it on my face, I'm going to go in with my brush and actually apply the product. That way it's very nice and light and it's not going to be doing too much. And now we're going to go in and get that foundation. Just blend all of those colors together. And I still have a little bit on my dish, so I like to just dip into that and cover the paint pot. And now I'm going to go in and get that blush, just blend over on top of that contour. And last but not least, very important step, we got to get that concealer. So I'm going to do all the other parts of my face first, and then I'm going to do my eyes last. Look at this face already, girl. Ooh, look at this face already, girl. Okay, we gonna have a good makeup day today. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna just focus right in the very corners of my eye and just blend all of that out. Okay, time for the magic. This is where you see the makeup look come together. This is where you see your hard work pay off. Okay, so Huda Beauty Kunafa and Cinnamon Bun. You guys, I know you see me use this product a lot. When I tell you these are bad to the bone, you don't know until you try it, honey. Y'all better go ahead and get y'all some, okay? Yes. I'm going to be using a damp beauty sponge to blend or to set my face. I always use a damp beauty sponge. Using a damp beauty sponge sets it so beautifully. It doesn't make it feel cakey or anything. It just really feels good on the skin and it looks bomb. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. Okay, next up, we're gonna go in with Cinnamon Bun and we're gonna set the rest of the face. Yes. Ooh. Okay, so before I go any further, I'm gonna set my face and then I'm gonna pat it in. Today, I'm gonna be using the, who this is again, girl? Ooh, this is, what her name is, Charlotte Tilbury? That's her, girl. Okay, so it's almost completely dry. I like to go in with whatever is left on my sponge and just pat that face in one more time and Same area that I use for under my eyes. Okay, so I changed my mind. Before I start to like do anything else on my face, I want to finish up my lower lash line because as you can tell, I did cover up some of that with the powder. So I'm going to use like a little fluffy brush and I'm going to tap to thy kingdom come. I just want the remnants, okay? Because I don't want anything falling on my face. Okay, I'm going to use my same face powder to contour my nose. There's no need to really switch because this can give you a really good tint. And as you can tell, I'm not bronzifying to catch Poppy's eye today. Okay. I feel like you can still see a lot of that contour shade, so no need for that. Even though I set everything, it didn't get covered. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my eyes. I need a black eyeliner and this does not fit in my sharpener. I love this sharpener. This is by, who is this by? Glossier. One of the best sharpeners on the market, but it don't fit, girl. Okay, I don't want to destroy it. Okay, so I'm going to use the Melt Cosmetics 1987 liner. This is also a really great liner. Okay, for my blush, I am going to be using Chameleon by ColourPop. And we're going to go in and just rosy up those cheeks, girl. Rosy them up, yes. Okay, so last but not least, we need to do these lips. So I'm going to go in with the Nova Beauty lip liner in brown 1 because I want to go for a really soft nude lip. I don't want to do anything too harsh, too hard, you know, just keep it simple, keep it traditional. Should I put a little tear duct color? Girl, let's do these lips, okay, because it's never ending. And for my lipstick, another Nova Beauty product. This is Tone, and we're gonna tone this lip up. And for my gloss, I'm gonna be using a Sigma gloss. And this is called Dazzling. I have really been enjoying these Sigma glosses lately. Can you tell? Okay, they remind me of the MAC lip glosses, the Dazzle Glass and all of that stuff. Hey guys, that is it for this look. And I absolutely love this look. I mean, now that I'm looking at it, it's kind of like, what took you so long to do a smoky eye? Just a simple black smoky eye. You know, I still had to spruce it up, put a little glitter in there. Yes, yes, okay. But I love this look. This is so pretty. It's kind of like, where are we going? Girl, we ain't going nowhere on this beautiful Friday. We staying in the house because it's nice and warm and it's safe, okay? Shout outs to Nova Beauty for sponsoring a portion of this video. If we had Instagram, we would be going to Instagram, but girl, it is what it is. Anyways, I truly enjoyed making this video for you. I absolutely love this look. I think it's just so classy. And I mean, you could just save this video and do this for New Year's, for any occasion actually, okay? Anyways, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch and we like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share the video because sharing is caring. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really, really soon.